All right, I'm going to show you how to hopefully make a little bit of a better video about using the TI-84 to make graphs and trying to determine correlations, okay? First off, if I push the stat button, which I'm doing here, and it says edit, I enter, I can put a bunch of values in. In this case, I already have some in here to save myself time. You just enter each one and hit enter, right? And then if you go up to L2, I'm going to enter my second row of data, okay? Now, like I said, usually you get 2 rows of data and then you try to put them in to see whether or not there's a correlation, right? For the second thing, I'm gonna go ahead and second function mode out, put y equals, I'm gonna clear this because I don't want this in here, I'm gonna be doing some work, right? If I go second function y equals, here's my plot 1. I do want to plot L1 versus L2. Go all the way down. This looks good, and everything should be fine. I can hit graph, and if I go zoom 9, wrong, zoom 9, it'll give me the best fit for the window, so I can see most of the data in the window of the calculator. So I'm going to try to put a linear regression on this because I see there's a line. It's a -1, so it's going down. I'm going to hit the stat key again, stat. Now it says calculate or test. I'm going to do a calculation. So I hit calculate, and I'm going to go to number 4. So I just hit the 4, and it's going to tell me I'm going to plot L1 versus L2. And down here it says store regression equation. I'm going to hit bars once, arrow over once, hit enter 1, 2, 3 times, and the 4th time it gives me all my data. If I have my diagnostic tool on, which I should, it'll give me my R-square value, which tells me how good the data fits in line. 0.967 seems pretty good. So let's examine this. Y equals AX plus B. A is the slope. So the slope is negative 16.94, which means it's going down, and the way it's going is negative 16.9, or basically negative 17 for every increment on the other axis, right? So B is the intercept on the Y. It says 98.957. So if we look at this, if I hit the graph button now, it's going to draw a line going straight through this. If for some reason you didn't write down your equation, if you put Y equals, it'll give you the equation right here. You scroll over 19.67, and then it'll give me my B as 98.985, right? Very simple. That's how you would do this. Doesn't seem too hard. It's just a matter of practicing, so you always get it right.